Hi everyone, my name is Wayne Pollack. I'm an attorney who helps other attorneys engage the audiences that are vital to their firm's success, including their clients, their referral sources, their employees, and the media. In this video, today's tire kickers are tomorrow's clients. I recently was talking with a local family lawyer here, and we were talking about his practice and where he was getting his new clients from. And even though he's been in practice for a couple decades and is involved in the local bar association, he surprised me and told me that most of his new clients come through the internet. And I said, great, well, I guess that means your digital marketing is giving you real bang for the buck. And he said, the issue is I get a lot of tire kickers. They're not really interested in hiring me at that time. They're just kind of price shopping or wanting to get a sense of what the process might look like. And I said, well, you know, today's tire kickers are tomorrow's clients. So are you engaging them and keeping these people in the loop about what your firm is doing to hopefully get them to become clients? And he said, no, not really. I told him, well, then you're pretty much flushing your marketing dollars down the drain. But the problem that he had, and he explained, is a problem that's common with professional services firms, especially law firms. There's no guarantee that the clients that are doing research on us and even contact us are ready to become clients today, tomorrow, next week, or even next month. There's a really good chance that a lot of today's tire kickers are kicking tires because they're not ready to buy or not ready to retain lawyers yet, but maybe in a few weeks, a few months from now, they will be. There's a stat, I can't remember where I heard this, but it was from a direct marketing company. And they said that they did a survey where based on a number of people who raised their hand and requested more information about a service or a product, only 50% of those people who actually raised their hand to request more information bought the product or service. And of that 50%, only 15% bought the product or service within 90 days of asking for more information. 85%, the vast majority, purchased that product or service between 90 days and 18 months after asking for information. So that's a story that tells you a lesson there. And that lesson is that there's a very good chance that people who contact you through your website or download your ebook or sign up for a webinar or your newsletter, that they might be interested in hiring you, but just not yet. It could be days, weeks, or months away from hiring you. And you understand why, because even if your practice is a business to business or direct to consumer, regardless of the practice that you have, there's a good chance that your would-be clients are researching issues related to them, the solution, how they go about getting that solution. I mean, whether it's a small business owner looking at franchise lawyers, or the parents of children looking into special education issues, or even someone who's looking for information about getting a divorce and child support and custody, that all could be information that people are looking at before they actually pull the trigger and hire someone. And it's not surprising, because obviously most areas of the law, with the exception of maybe criminal law, most areas do not have pressing issues that must get taken care of. I mean, you've got statute of limitations for PI cases, but generally speaking, clients can take their time and figure out what they want to do and how they want to go about hiring a lawyer, even if they've contacted a couple of lawyers and even had some consultations. So the big picture is today's tire kickers could be tomorrow's clients. A tire kicker today is only a tire kicker today. They could be a client tomorrow. So the question is, of course, how do you engage these tire kickers and help convert them into clients? Well, you engage them with educational content, and I'll cover that in another video.